Hi there, Vince here. Welcome to WP Medical. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a page. Okay, so in my previous video, I taught you about how to make a post. So if you are going to make a post again, all you have to do is to hover here and then click Add New. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page. Alright, so all you have to do is to click Add New, and you can see that in this page, you can see that it is almost like a page where you will add a post, okay? But here, instead of a post, we are going to add a page. So let's say we'll add a contact page. Okay, so this is the sample content that we will be adding here. Now notice that if I click outside, you will see here a different set of menus or options. And if I click one of the modules, you will also see another option. Okay, notice that in the page section, again, we are adding a page, not a post. Okay, so here in the page, as you can see, there is no option where you can add categories or tags. Okay, it's only you will only find those options when you go to or when you are adding a post. Now the difference between a post or a page is the how it works or how the search engine is treating it, and how it works inside your WordPress. Okay. Now pages are mostly static pages of your website. Usually the pages will cover the home page, the about us page, the contact us page, and the services page, depending on what you need. While the post is more on the updates of about your company, about your product, about the things that you have been doing, depending on the kind of blog or website that you have. Okay. Now pages again are more static pages of the website. Okay. While the blogs or the posts are most are treated as a blog post. Okay. All right. So that's the main difference. But basically, how you post or how you make a page is almost similar on how you make a post. Okay. But that's the main difference. So let's say we are going to publish this. Okay. Let's say publish. Okay. And then here you will see view page. Right click on it and open it to a new window. And as you can see, the page that we added, okay, will appear here automatically. But okay, the post that we did, okay, the sample post for this one that we did last time did not appear on the main menus, okay, because that's how the page works. Now it will appear on recent post, or if we will be setting up a blog here in the menu, when you click that, the post should appear in that area, okay, but not on the main menu. However, in setting up the menus, which I will be teaching you later, you can still set up uh, a post just like a specific page or a page, depending on how you want your website to look, no. So but again, uh, it will not make sense if you're going to make a page and then you use a post. So I strongly suggest, if it is a page, then use the page. And if it is a post, it's just an update, then use the post, okay? The posts option. All right, so I think that's it for this video. Why not share your thoughts on how you did it in your own platform, okay, or in your own WordPress. By the way, I am using Divi. DV theme. Okay, I can either use this one, the default WordPress, and if I choose to use the DV builder, I can click here instead of using this. But in most cases, for pages, I will use the DV builder. But for the post, I normally use the default option for the post. Okay. All right. I think that's it for now, and see you in my next video.
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Vince Soler, your WP Medic.